In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Claude Desktop in Windows. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to claude.com/download, and then here on their official website, you want to click on Download for Windows, and this will download it for Windows just like this. You can simply click on it, and then from here, it's going to say installing Claude, and this will take a few seconds depending on your internet speed, and then from here, you may have to actually put in your admin PIN of your computer to continue the installation, and then this will take a few more seconds, and whenever that's done, Claude will be installed onto your computer. So if I actually wait for a few seconds, there we go. As you can see, the installation process has been kind of interrupted, which means that it's likely finished. There we go. And it's going to automatically open up Claude on your computer over here. And you can then accept this if you wanna. And then from here, as you can see, it says Claude for Windows, the fastest way to talk with Claude. You can click on Get Started, sign in with your account, and you're good to go. That's how to install it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.